Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Yo, 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 yo. Wagwan, my beautiful peeps. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this very delicious ackee and red recipe. Trust me, ackee and saltfish nice, but to me, it's nicer with the red. Alright, so right here, I have about 3 dozen ackee. I come straight from Jamaica, thanks to my father. Respect daddy. Alright, and also I have some red fillet that I leave to soak for about an hour in some water just to get some of that salt out. So for my season and veggies, I'm using a medium onion, also 3 cloves of garlic, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 stalks of spring onion, some thyme, green and red bell pepper, plus a tomato.
So I breathe in the fear.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and start chopping my spring onion. Also gonna julienne my red bell pepper. And guys, it doesn't really matter how you want to cut your veggies and season. You cut it the way you want to cut it. Not like it's gonna change the flavor or anything like that. Also cutting my green bell pepper, and I'm doing the same. Now for my onion, I'm just gonna cut it in 2, and I'm also gonna julienne my onion. Alright guys, so for your bell pepper, just add what you can manage. Don't follow me and put 1 bell pepper because I want mine a little spicy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dice my tomato. And for my garlic, I'm just slicing my garlic in some nice thin slices. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, I already set some water on to boil, and I'm just gonna add some salt to taste. Now I'm going in with my ackee. And guys, as you can see, this is not the tin ackee, this is a real deal, Alright, so me while my ackee is boiling, I'm just gonna break my smoked herring in some bite-sized pieces. And you can break this into any size you choose. It doesn't matter. You don't have to do it like me. I know a lot of you probably taste ackee before, but possibly the tin one. And trust me guys, the tin one half tastes like this one. You see when you get the fresh one that pick off the tree, wow, the flavor is different. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and test if my ackee is cooked. Alright, you see how soft and nice it is? Yes, ready. Now with my stove on high heat, I'll be going in with 6 tablespoons of corn oil, and you can also use vegetable oil if you choose. Now I'll be adding all my season and veggies, and right away you can smell the aroma of the season. That boy, just trust me, this will smell so nice, the smell of the kitchen. Alright, so now I'm going in with my red herring. Guys, just look how colorful and beautiful this is. Wow, the color is just amazing. Alright, so I'll be going in with my ackee. And this meal doesn't take long to cook. Trust me, it's a very simple and very easy meal. Also gonna add some black pepper, about a teaspoon. I'm just gonna blend it all together. Wow, just look at the color. Just look at the color variation, guys. Trust me, and the aroma is just so amazing. Just look how beautiful this looks. Alright, so here I have the finishing product right here. Oh, look. Look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright, and you can go ahead and whip this up with whatever side you choose. Trust me. But you see me right now, I'm gonna have mine with some dumpling and some ground provision. Right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of taste test for y'all. And look how buttery and creamy this is. Wow. Trust me, this is amazing. For all of you who know ackee taste, just explain to the viewers that don't in the comment section. This is amazing. Trust me, nice, creamy, buttery. Very delicious. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut a piece of my dumpling and just have it with a little bit of that ackee and red herring.
To save myself from ending up hurt.
Stunning.
I'll go into this